Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mathify with Minakshi. In today's video, we'll learn trick to find cube of any two-digit number. So for that, I have written three examples for you. But for using this trick, you should know cubes from 1 to 10. So I have attached image so that you can see cubes from 1 to 10. But you have to learn this. So let's start with the first example, 16 cube. What you have to do first, you have to take the cube of unit digit and write the answer in three digits. Now we know what is cube of 6, that is 216. Just write 216. Then you have to take the cube of tens digit and again write that in three digits. But you know that cube of 1 is 1, that's a single digit number. So for first two digits you will write 00. Now what you have to do, you have to simply multiply all the digits like 1 into 6 into 3, and that is 18. This 18 you have to multiply with our original number, that is 16. So what is 18 into 16? If you know one thing, that whenever we have to find the product of two numbers whose difference is 2, so you can directly use this note that I've written for you, n into n plus 2. How I can break n? I can write n as n plus 1 minus 1. As you know, that becomes n only, and n plus 2 as n plus 1 plus 1. Then you can use the identity. If you'll consider n plus 1 as a and b as 1, then you can use the identity a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So this is just for explanation. You can directly learn this, that whenever we have to find the product of two numbers whose difference is 2, what we have to do, we have to simply take the number that is between them, like 17 square minus 1. Now we know what is 17 square. Yes, that you know, it's 289 minus 1, and that is 288. So you can simply write, just leave this space, unit digit, and you can write 288. Now just add this and you will get the answer. 6, 9, this is 10, and then 4 and 00. No need to write that. So answer is 4096. Because right now I'm explaining this trick, so that might be you're thinking that it takes time. But yes, when you know this step, you can solve this in seconds. Now, again, you will take the cube of 4 and write that in three digits. You know, cube of 4 is 64, and then cube of 3, and that is 27. But we have to write in three digits. That's why I'm writing first digit as 0. Now second step is 3 into 4 into 3, that is 12 into 3, you can say 36, and we have to multiply that with original number 34. Again the difference is 2 here. So what you will do, you will simply take the middle number square minus 1, that is 35 square minus 1. Now you know that whenever number ends with 5, its square is directly end at 25, and multiply the first number with next. 3 into 4 is 12. So 1225 minus 1, that is 1224. So leave this space and write 1224. Now if you add, what you will get? You will get 4 and this as 10, then 3, 9, 3. So answer is 39304. Now let's see last question. So again you will take the cube of 2 and write that in three digits. So it's 008. Then you will take the cube of 8 and write in three digits. That is 512. Now what you will do, again you will multiply 8 into 2 into 3, that is 16 into 3, 48. Now you have to multiply 48 with 82. So if you have to multiply these numbers, so how we can multiply, I will show you here. 48 into 82. Although you can see my one of the YouTube video where I've explained multiplication of two digit numbers. So what we have to do, first we have to multiply these two numbers. 8 into 2, you can write 16. You know it's 16, but we can write only one digit. So I will write 6 and I will leave 1. Now you will do cross multiplication. 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 8 is 64, and you will add that. That is 64 plus 9, that is 73. You can write unit digit, that is 3, and now we are left with 7. Now what is 8 into 4? That you know, that's 32. Now 32 plus 7 is 39. So answer is 3936. So again you will write, leave this, and you can write 3936. So my final answer is here 863. That's 11, that's 5 and 5. 551368. Hope you like this trick. Now it's time for homework. So I have written two questions for you, and you have to give answers in comment box. Try practicing it once and see the magic yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Methify with Meenakshi. Thank you, everyone.